So, hello YouTube, it's me Jonathan here from the Pro Bros, and today I'm playing another game called Whack Your Neighbor. So, let's start. Existing game. Let's start a new game. So, this is a game similar to the last ones I played. I played Whack Your Teacher and Whack the Thief. But as if you have seen the videos, you probably noted that the audio wasn't that good. So I'm here to record a new game. So it looks like we have started. So let's start out. Let's you try out the barbecue here. Let's see what he's gonna do with that. Yeah, shove off his head in the barbecue. You got roasted head. Yeah, this guy knows how to handle his neighbors. Yeah, he's a pro at it. Okay. Let's use Whiskey, the dog. What the? And look at his head. He's got like his skull showing, and that's the piece of skin the dog ripped out of his head. Oh man. This game should be 18 plus for sure. Let's try out the sausages. Oh man. Let's try out this then. He's got a little blood fountain. Very creative. So let's try the hot sauce. Oh. Let's try. Why can't I do everything here? This guy was very prepared for his neighbor, so he wouldn't be too surprised. He killed him and buried him on the spot. So let's try out this. It's even that is a compost bin. Yeah, I think so. He's gonna burn him. Oh man, he's got the chimney up there. Wow. So I have tried out the barbecue. Haven't tried this one out. Come on. Alright. Ah man! Oh, this game is so inappropriate. So we try the hot sauce. Let's try the tree. Okay, next. Oh, garden shears. Is he gonna cut his head off? Almost. Okay. Let's try the toolbox. Yeah, this guy has a good aim. to throw two screwdrivers just right up into his eyes, and then he smashes on his head and crushes his neighbor's skull. So, oh, I haven't tried lawnmower yet. Ah, man! Okay. Have you tried the pose yet? Stuck it up into his ass. Pumps it up. Yeah, the water balloon. What is it? The phone? 5 minutes later. You never know when you need a friend with a shotgun. Who knows? So it seems like we've got about 16 more. But, oh, here we go. A car crank. Oh. Oh man! What the hell? Garden throw? What's he gonna do with that? Oh. Deadly, I should say. Next. What was it? Nega. Oh man, no. That would have been so cool. Never knew that bees could be that deadly. So, watch out from bees. He's gonna shoot him in the head. Yep. Oh. I'll try the shears out. Iron hook. Oh, shotgun. What the? Who invented this game is one. What's this? He's gonna hang him. Oh, that's creative. Never seen people do that before. So, yeah, we're creative. Let's see what's next. The chain. Okay. So, oh, oh man, oh this, he's got a laser in his pocket. What the? And you could see part of his thing there. The nail gun doesn't work. Oh, dog crap. Hmm. Mm. So, seeing as I haven't done all the things that you could do, I couldn't find them. Maybe they're just to play on mobile. So, definitely, if you're gonna play this game, download it on your mobile phone and play it there, because as you could have seen, many of the things you couldn't do on your computer. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. I'll be uploading a new video soon. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all from me. Bye.